Hello everyone, I am Meghraj Jogdan. I am engineering student of MIT Academy of Engineering Alandi Pune. Today we will see the one of the interesting and important topic of DSP, which is the role of DSP in MP3. First of all, we see what is the MP3. Everyone have listened songs, but no one have has think how about MP3 players is working or what is the principle behind it. Today we will see how MP3 players are working, what is the role of in it, what is the role of DSP in it. As you can see here, MP3 is a shortened name of MPG1, and compression achieved by MP3 formats is 1 by 10 times the size of other formats, which means it required less size and where and the digital signal processor is used to improve sound quality and audio systems. Here we see what is a DSP. Digital signal processor means a DSP takes real world signals like voice audio. In this diagram, we can see it takes real life audio or records it. After recording it, applies ADC on it. ADC means analog to digital converter. It converts analog values to digital values. After conversion, it store it in memory, and after storing it, apply DAC मतलब digital to analog converter. First it apply analog to digital converter. After that apply digital to analog. So after applying digital to analog converter, we can listen any kind of sound or any kind of song. DSP is designed for performing mathematical function. In DSP, you can perform different kind of mathematical functions. The diagram shows how DSP is used in MP3 audio. Here, this diagram shows. After DSP, we see what is ADC. It is in ADC, we see analog signals and digital signals. First of all, we see analog signals. In analog signals are real world signals and continuous in time. Analog signals work on real life world signals, so it's real life world signals and continuous in time. Digital signals are discrete in time and value. Binary digits then contains value 0 or 1. Digital signals it contains only 0 or 1s. Either it contains 0 values or 1 values. So it is discrete in time. Now we will see types of AD converters. First of all, we see flash AD converter, then successive approximation AD converter, then dual slope and AD converter. After that, delta sigma AD converter. These are some types of AD converters. First of all, in previous slide, we have seen what is a DSP. Here we see what is inside a DSP. A DSP contains these key components like program memory, data memory, compute engine, input, output. In that previous slides diagram, we have seen how it is working. It takes input from surrounding and apply a process on it and store it in memory. And after the storing, it sends output. This is a process of DSP. Here in this figure also we mentioned that how it is working. How DSP affect the sound quality, improve frequency and dynamic spectrum, help in conversion, or remove unnecessary echo. Using different kind of tools or different kind of methods, we can remove unnecessary sound or an unnecessary noise from any kind of audio or video using DSP. So DSP affect the sound quality. Here we conclude that a digital signal processor is a technology without that can make various improvements and alterations to digital signal quickly and accurately. In audio devices, DSP can magically improve the sound quality without increasing the voltage as would you have analog equipments. These are some references we have added for our concepts and some peaks. So thank you for our listening.